In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to create a hyperlink inside a Notion page, starting from a quick Google search, logging in, and then editing the page content so your text links cleanly to a destination. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Notion on Google. This is a convenient way to reach the official site if you don't have it bookmarked. From the search results, click through to Notion's homepage. On the top right, you'll see the Login option. Click Login and sign in using your preferred method. If you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want to edit. Notion will load your home or the last page you viewed. Next, open the Notion page where you want to add your hyperlink. Click anywhere in the main body of the page to place your cursor. You'll see the familiar text carry appear, which means you're ready to type. Go ahead and type the word or short phrase you want to turn into a hyperlink. Keep it descriptive. Good link text helps people understand what they'll get when they click. Now, select that word or phrase by dragging across it, or by double-clicking if it's a single word. With the text highlighted, press Ctrl+K on Windows or CMD+K on a Mac. This is Notion's universal shortcut for adding a link. The link dialog will pop up right where your text is. If you intend to link to a page inside your workspace, start typing its title, and Notion will suggest matching pages. Choose the correct one from the suggestions to create a clean internal link. If your link points to an external website, you can paste or type the full URL into the same field and confirm. Once the link is set, click away to deselect the text. Your word will now appear as a link. You can hover over it to preview the destination and click to test it. If you need to tweak it, highlight the text again and use the same shortcut to update or remove the link. Notion saves these changes automatically, so there's no extra save step. A quick tip: keep your link text concise and meaningful, like project plan or support FAQ, rather than something vague. This makes pages easier to scan and improves accessibility for everyone. That's it. Starting from a Google search, logging into Notion, clicking into the page body, typing your link text, using the Ctrl or CMD+K shortcut, and picking the right destination. You're ready to add clear, professional hyperlinks to your Notion pages.